flipping kind of sort of halfway back. Cheers. Good afternoon, good evening. Hopefully everybody's doing good. This is not financial advice. I'm gonna switch this camera to the stock market screen and we'll see what the hell is going on in here. I am kind of sort of flipping halfway back a little bit, tiny bit back. I just gotta adjust the screen so it just fits better here. So it works better a little bit. Let's see, adjust this thing. Whatever, it is what it is. Guess I gotta make it work. So I'm flipping, adjusting. Hey, hey, thank you, man. Good to see you here, SP Yuri. How you doing, man? How you doing? Haven't been on for like a week, right? Or more, something like that. It's been a while. It's been forever. Now I gotta see what to buy. So yeah, it was just taking a while for some of the funds to clear. Like on the options, I deposited a little bit extra money, so I got more buying power on the options here. And then obviously the other ones, I don't have too much buying power, but I do have some. Auto rate, pretty much nothing. Investing account has some, but yeah. How are you doing there, SP Yuri? Hopefully all is well, man. But right now I just gotta buy a few things real quick, or maybe not yet. Maybe let's see. Or maybe just in case I'll buy some of this one a little bit. It's kind of went up quite a bit. I might buy a tiny bit for now. But then after that, I want to see what the flipping Bitcoin is doing right now. Let's see. Okay, just buying the dip. Oh, nice, nice. That's a good choice. Buying the dip. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Bitcoin dipped quite a bit. That's crazy. Looks like it's kind of, who knows if it's gonna keep on dipping or not. But like, I might add a tiny bit since I'm here. Like, I might add a little bit. Then if it dips to like 20,000 or 15,000, that's where I probably add a whole bunch more. But I don't know if it's gonna dip that low though or not, you know. But if it does, that'll be pretty cool. I get to load up on Bitcoin like on a lower price, you know. So I'll probably add just a little bit of this one for now. Not too much, but something. At least something's better than nothing. Then I wonder how the flipping, what do you call it, cyber puppies are doing here. Let's see. Check on the flipping Shiba. Shiba's down quite a bit. I do have some of it though, but I'll probably add a little bit of this one here too. Some Shiba Inu and then some XRP. I definitely like the XRP a little bit. Maybe add some XRP. Obviously, this is not financial advice or anything. Let's check out. Damn, XRP is like it went up a little, but it's a pretty decent dip. That's crazy. Probably could add some more on this one. Maybe I'll probably add like a couple bucks of the XRP thingy. Stats number. Are you up? Oh, am I up like money wise? Yeah. If that's what you mean there. Stats on Barry photography. Let's see, I'll probably buy some XRP. Maybe I'll buy like a couple of dollars worth of this one. A couple bucks worth of this one. Okay, and then I gotta get some of the GLD thingy. The gold ETF. Probably get some of that. So today it's up, overnight it's kind of down, but yeah, it's still kind of doing okay. I don't have a lot of it, but I'm kind of upping it in general. But I might as well dollar cost average into this thing. So I'll probably add a little bit to this one. Maybe I'm gonna add the same thing on this Nicky SETF deal here. Okay, and then I'll do the same thing with the silver. Let's see, which one is it gonna be? The let's see, this one, iShares Silver Trust. Probably get some of that one. Let's see, iShares Silver. So that one's down. I mean, up quite a bit. Why small amounts? Why not throw in like 7K? Well, because I recently sold out. Like I don't have a lot of money in it right now, so I'm kind of. And the thing is, I'm waiting for it to potentially dip and get it at a cheaper price. But for now, I'm just kind of dollar cost averaging. Especially now that the market's not open, so I'm queuing the orders in. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now, just small amounts here and there. And now I'll do the same thing on the Nicky SCTF. Alrighty, let's see. Maybe add some more of the, let's see, AG. Not the, let's see, the AG deal thingy. Let's see. Get this under the, so I got it on the individual. I'll probably get this under the ETF deal. Maybe get like a couple of bucks worth of this one. And then I'll probably get some of the Solana thingy. Let's see, Solana. And maybe get some of that. Maybe try to hedge that a tiny bit here. So I don't have too much of it, but I do have some. But I'll probably add maybe a couple bucks. Yeah, I'll probably add a couple bucks. And then I'll probably hedge it. Not hedge it, but stake it. So let's see. Why not throw it on that's a pretty smart thing to do there, Statsani Barrow Stats or whatever your name is. That's a pretty good idea. It's a safe way to invest, but like it's kind of a boring way to invest, but like it's definitely a safe way to invest. Usually, whoever does that outperforms like the short-term type traders. But yeah, I mean. But I'm kind of dollar cost averaging right now and trying to, see what to get. Trying to buy the dip whatever I can. The crypto's dipping quite a bit, so might as well dollar cost average into crypto a tiny bit too. Into some little things here and there. So yeah, I just added Solana. Maybe I'll right now stake it. Let's see. Oh, stability ASMR. Oh, nice. Thank you there, Jeremy. Let's see, staked. I'll check that one out in a second. So let's see. So I got 1.97 to stake. 1.97. I'm not sure if it's going to let me do this. Okay, stake. Okay, done. Staking done. Okay, that's good. Okay, now, so I'm staking Solana. Let's see, check out the ASMR real quick. Oops, I forgot to delete the previous stuff. SMR. Oops. ASMR. Does it not have it here? Or it's kind of weird. Looks like it doesn't have the ASMR over here. That doesn't make sense. Why wouldn't it have it? Oops. AS. Yeah, it's weird that they don't have the ASMR thingy here. Let's see, but then like I had some more money that cleared for the, what do you call it? That's one of the things I was waiting because I sold out of the market before the big dip and I'm slowly getting back into it. So like this is the options one where I'm gonna do options, but like I don't like to queue in options when the market's closed, but I do have the buying power available for that. But maybe once the market's open, I'll probably do some options contracts with that. And then I'll just keep on depositing some amounts I could keep on dollar cost averaging into the flipping market. Okay, so this one's doing okay. This one's up 16.43% today. Let's see, this one's up 2.40 options. But yeah, now I gotta find the other thing. I'll look at some stocks here. Let's see, QQQ. So QQQ is up today, 70.77%. How about ETH? ETH is a pretty decent one. I might get a couple dollars worth of ETH. I like it for long term. Let's see. Ethereum, I do have some of it. It actually did a pretty good dip, so I might as well maybe get some of it. Even if it does dip some more, there's a chance it could keep on dipping. Nobody knows exactly what it's gonna do, but like for me, it wouldn't hurt to add a little bit to it, and then stake whatever I add to it. I bought one while it's low. Oh, nice! If you bought one while it's low, that's a good deal there, Almondi, ZZ. That's awesome, man. Let's see. I'll probably get like a couple of bucks worth of this one, and then I'll probably stake it right away. Let's see. Probably go to the stake. Create, manage ETH staking. Okay, stake that Ethereum. 1.98. Okay, stake that. Hell yeah. Make a nice medium rare stake out of it. Medium rare crypto stake. Seems like a pretty good deal, decent deal. Let's see, maybe I should add ZSL. Let's see. Was it ZSL or was it something else? Ultra short silver, just in case if silver might dip a little bit, maybe I could add a tiny bit of this one under the, let's see, yes, the individual. Maybe I'll add this one on that. Let's see, just to kind of hedge a tiny bit. I think it won't hurt. Small amounts, but better than nothing. And then do the same thing under this one. Let's see, trade buy. Actually, I'll do two on this one. I'll do $2 in this one right here. Okay, and then I'll add one more dollar on this one right here. That way, like things go like weird, it'll be a tiny little bit of a hedge on the silver that I got. Hey, slip by my notify catch. Oh, really? Hey there, how you doing, Ford? I slipped by. That's funny. Who's going to sue Goldman Sachs, and will they win? Oh, who's going to sue Goldman Sachs, and will they win? That's a crazy question. There, I have no idea. I didn't even know that was going on. That's kind of crazy there. But yeah, Ethereum, I think eventually will go back up a little bit. But yeah, let's see. AGQ, maybe get some of that. Let's see. ProShares Ultra Silver. Let's see. Did you watch the whole video? Yes, yes, the video that you sent me in the link, I've seen it, but I'm not sure who's gonna sue who. It's kind of weird. The whole situation, uh, it's kind of, I don't know what to say about that. But I did see the video that you sent me. Them people talking about the silver and all that stuff, right? Uh, let's see. I might get a little bit more of this one because it dipped quite a bit. The AGQ on the individual. Then I'll get some more of this under the Nicky SCTF. Let's see. I probably gotta watch the video again. I did watch it like once. Let's see. The exchange rigged it. The exchange rigged it according to the Shark Tank guy. Oh wow, yeah, I remember watching it. That's crazy. The video. uh, but yeah, that's crazy. Let me see. Let me see where Tesla's at right now. Tesla's not doing too bad, not doing too good. It's just kind of moving sideways a little bit. Let's see what I got. It's kind of down, so just for the heck of it, I'll probably add a little bit more to the Tesla stock. So that's under the individual. Then I'll go to the Nicky SETF. Add some more on that one. And then I'll probably do the TSLL deal here. Let's see. TSLL. Chicago Trading Floor vid said they did it a different way in 1980. Oh, I see. Wow, that's crazy. Are you just buying one each crypto? You are not buying the whole stake on it. Yeah, like $1 or $2 right now. I'm kind of adding to it right now, but I'm not buying the whole thing because I got limited buying power. I'm adding a little bit at a time, so I'm not dumping everything like just on one crypto or something. I'm just dollar cost averaging a little bit here and there to different things. Uh, but yeah, the Tesla leverage. I'm probably gonna get some more of that one. Bullish on that long term. So add $1 to that. Let's see. Go to the Nicky SETF. Trade, buy some of that here on that. Let's see. Maybe I should. Let's see here. I'll check PLTR real quick. Palantir Technologies. Why does Robinhood control what stocks are listed big enough to open up more inclusive scope of choice? Yeah, I don't know. Like, it's just, I guess it doesn't list all of them. That kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I mean, maybe eventually it'll list some more, but it's just taking its sweet time, I guess. I have some videos to upload. YouTube used to let you download anything. Oh, I see. I see. Right. So right now, like, it doesn't let you download, right? That's kind of strange. YouTube used to let you download anything. Yeah, right now, like, it doesn't let you download like the videos or whatnot. It's kind of weird. But yeah, Palantir. I got a little bit of that one. It's on a dip, so I might add some Palantir. At least a little bit. Then if it does dip some more, but I'm trying to be careful, like with what I get and how much I get, because if there's gonna be like uh, a war or anything like that, like the market could crash some more. Like, so trying to kind of take it easy a little bit, especially if like something weird goes down in Iran and stuff like that. If it gets hit or anything, it might send the market down quite a bit. But we don't know if or when that's gonna happen. Nobody knows for sure. But I think regardless, it's good to be ready and prepared for anything to happen. And that way, probably DCA into the gold, because if there's gonna be like a war or whatnot, like something crazy big going on, then it'll be kind of market might probably dip quite a bit, and then like the gold and silver will go up like crazy again if something like that happens. That's stuff of the past. Stuff of the past. Unless you pay for premium. Oh, I see. I see. Doing your taxes must be fun at the end of the year. Oh, hey there, 10 Deuce Poker. Yeah, it's not too bad actually to do taxes because I only go to the where the I print or email the tax documents to the accountant and they pretty much take care of it. So it's from my end, it's pretty easy. Just send the email to them and then they take care of it and then I pay them for the work. But yeah, the more the more stuff, probably the more a little bit more work. But the Robinhood prepares all the documents, so it's not too bad. But yeah, it does add up. Uh, but yeah, so like I think I did add Palantir to both the accounts. Yeah, I think I did. Maybe later I'll add some more, but for now it's good enough. Oh yeah, let me see. I want to add the which one? Oh yeah, NVTS. Novitas Semiconductor. So that's the one I wanted to add. So it is up quite a bit. The stuff that I got, it's up. but I don't have too much of it, but it doesn't matter. But I will probably add, let's see, trade by at least a little bit of this on here. And then I'm gonna change this to the ETF deal. Buy some under the ETF deal here. I gotta, let's see here. You don't just tell them you don't just tell them the start value of portfolio and value. Oh, so you're saying therefore that you don't just tell them the start value of portfolio and value. Oh, not. Oh, what I do, like I usually like it's for performance for the year or whatnot. So I usually what I do is I go to the taxes area where it's the taxes, and then like I click on like whatever Robinhood prepares for the year. I email it to the accountant, and then they do the work. And that's it. Yeah, not all 1,000 trades. Yeah, the Robinhood they actually they've settled it. They have all the paperwork like under the Robinhood. And then I send the email to the accountant and they take care of it. It's actually real easy, real quick and real fast. It's actually not that bad. You could have millions of transactions and they'll still be pretty easy, pretty decent. It might just take a while for Robinhood to prepare the tax form, but it's not that bad actually. Yeah, so I got some of this one here. Let's see, I gotta text something here real quick. Alrighty, that's done. Let's see. Yeah, I know, right? It is pretty nice. Do you do option trading, call and sell? Yes, I do the option trading. I saw an ad for a new thing like Robinhood. Oh, really? New? What was the new thing on Robinhood there, Ford? Do you option? Yeah, I do options trading. Like I recently sold out of everything right before this dip, before this market crash that recently happened. But then I opened a couple more accounts. So I started from zero just a week ago or so. I started pretty much almost from zero, and I'm adding funds from scratch, from zero, and building up the portfolios. Except for the Roth IRA, I had money on this, but everything else was pretty much zero. So this is the options account. I'm gonna start doing options trades and sharing what I'm doing right now. I just got some random stocks here for the most part. But I'm gonna start adding option contracts in this one. But I used to have like all the time some kind of options contracts going at all times before I sold out. Because I sold out because I had to get out of margin just to be safe. So that's what I did. But regardless, I just wanna play it safer. So I had to sell everything out just to get out of margin, just to play it safe. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. But yeah, it's actually not that bad. Let's see, SPY. SPY is doing pretty decent. Today it's up 0.48%. Overnight it's up 0.02. So it's doing pretty decent. Not that bad. Let's see, which one should I get? Maybe I should add to the, let's see, or maybe I should check out, yeah, SCHD. Maybe I should check that one out. Let's see, I don't have anything. I'll probably add something to this one later. Actually, I could add this one to the Nicky SCTF. I don't think I got this one on here. I'll probably add one. Add one on that one. Let's see now. Oh yeah, I gotta add some SoFi. Should have added more SoFi when it was at a lower dip, and then right now went back up a little bit. But It is what it is. I'll probably add $1 to this. Add $1 to this thingy. IBIT ETF hot right now. Good for option trading, at least on one contract. Oh, nice. So the IBIT, that's pretty cool. I'll check it out after I get SoFi under this one here. So that's the ETF though, right? The IBIT for the Bitcoin. I usually trade the BITX, the Bitcoin leverage, but IBIT is probably pretty decent. So iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF. So it's right now at 39.20. Let's see. So IBAT is a passively managed fund that seeks to track the spot price of Bitcoin. The listed name for IBAT is iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF shares. Okay, so I'll probably add a little bit of this one for now under the, let's see. Could add it under the Nicky ETF. Add one for now. Because we don't know how low the flipping Bitcoin's gonna dip, but dollar cost averaging I guess won't hurt. So it might kind of sort of halfway work a little bit at least. Let's see. Bloom Energy. Bloom Energy. So that keeps on going up quite a bit. Probably add some to that one a little bit later. Let's see, maybe I'll check out, let's see, Uber. Check out Uber. Uber is kind of at a discount, might get some of that. So I don't have much of that one right now. It is down, but might as well dollar cost average. Let's see, trade, buy a little bit of this. So you get some under the Nicky ETF. Let's see, maybe check out, let's see, LYFT. Lift 1660. Oh wow, that thing fell quite a bit. The lift thingy, 1660. Wow, pretty decent discount. I see. Apples. I know, right? What's up there, Apples? YW9YX. The lift thingy dipped a little bit, so I might DCA into this one a tiny bit. Running out of buying power. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Nicky SETF. Yeah. Let's see, maybe check out the Walmart deal thingy here. Let's see. Walmart. I'll probably get some of that one once it dips a little bit more, because right now it's kind of high up there. It's crazy. Just in 1 year, it's 26.29% up. That's crazy. That's flipping crazy. And I do have some of it, and I'm up. That's funny. 8.73% up, but like I didn't have a lot of that. But that's kind of funny. The first trade for 2 pizza cost a few Bitcoin. Not sure how many, but it's worth 80 million today. That's a 1,000 Bitcoin today. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. The first trade for 2 pizza cost a few on Bitcoin. Not sure how many, but it's worth 80 million today. That's a lot. That's crazy for the pizza. Like how much? Yeah, expensive pizza compared to how much in value the Bitcoin went up. Um, let's see which one. Which one did I want to check? Oh, let's see. See plug power. See where that's at. 209. So if it dipped a little bit, I might add to it a little bit here. Let's see. Trade buy. Buy this one under the. Let's see. That was a short, I heard. Oh, a short. Wow, that's crazy. What's your thoughts on MSTR? Is it good to buy the dip? I'm in the MSTR. Let me check it out right now. Like if Robinhood has it, I think it should have it. Let's see. Let's check out MSTR. Yeah, it does have it. The so right now, looking at the general chart. So obviously, right now everything dipped recently, but 1 week is down 2 point something percent. 1 month is down 14%. 3 months is down 46%. Year to date, it's down 13. 1 year is down 59. 5 years is up 44. Maximum is down 13.17. It's hard to say. Let's see about strategy. Strategy engaged in the provision of enterprise analytics and mobility software. The firm designs about. With all this weird stuff going on right now, with AI scared and all the software and all the weird stuff. Uh, Obviously, it's not financial advice or anything, but I'm not sure how well a lot of these companies will do right now. Long term, hopefully, I think they might do okay, but short term, it's hard to say, like, what is it gonna do. Like, some of these stocks might take a while for them to recover, potentially, in my opinion, not financial advice. With all this weird like scare and all that stuff. But there's a chance it might bounce back up. Who knows? But sometimes it might take a while. So like I don't have any of this one. I think eventually in my opinion, it might do okay. But like I said, it might take a while. Not financial advice though. So the 17 analyst ratings on this one is 88% buy, 12% hold, and 0% sell. So the analyst ratings are pretty decent. So hopefully it'll do okay. Like I don't have this one myself, but for whoever has it, I hope it does good. Maybe I should add a little bit of this one to this ETF, right? Let's see. Maybe I should finally throw my paper, my yes no paper. See what the paper says. Let's see. Should I get MSTR? Let's see what the paper says. Right. Let's see. Should I get MSTR? Yes or no? Let's see what the paper says. The paper says no. At the moment, it says no. I don't know why, but it flipping says no. I guess it knows what's up a little bit. I guess kind of sort of halfway. The paper kind of sort of halfway knows what's up. But yeah, I mean, recently went up, but we'll see what it does. Hopefully, it goes up for whoever has that one. Let's see. Maybe I should check out the Doge thingy, right? Let's see. Doge. Do I have any of that? Dogecoin. Dogecoin down quite a bit. Let's see. So it looks like I don't have any of this one right now. Let's see. So 1 week is down 12%. 1 day is down 1.97. 1 month is down 33. 3 months down 45. 1 year is down 62. 5 years is up 20.66%. Let's see. Maybe let's see. Maybe just for the heck of it, I could buy a tiny bit of it. Just for the heck of it. Bitcoin is in a shitstorm. Oh, that's for sure there, Carlos. You got that one right. Let's see, I'm gonna ask the paper if I should get some Dogecoin. Let's see, should I feed the cyber puppy? Should I get Dogecoin? Should I flip and feed the cyber puppy right now? Should I get Dogecoin? Let's see what it says. Paper says no. I think the paper knows what's up. I think the shit coins and the Bitcoin, all the weird stuff might potentially keep on dipping a little bit. Maybe that's why the paper is not being happy with it and not telling me not to buy it. But it's kind of weird, kind of a little bit weird. It is what it is. Maybe a crypto winter's coming. What do I think about XRP? I kind of like XRP better than the Dogecoin and better than some other ones. Like I do have some of it because obviously I sold out of everything that I had. But I started recently adding to my position. See, it's like almost nothing because I literally started everything on Robinhood from scratch. But I like the XRP. Like in my opinion, I think later down the road, I think it might potentially go back to like the $3 area. So that'll be pretty cool if that happens or when that happens. Obviously, it's not a guarantee. It's not financial advice, but like in my opinion, I think it might eventually reach that area again at some point. So I actually like the XRP better than the Dogecoin and then some other shit coins. I like this one better. So like one of my favorite cryptos, pretty much like the Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Solana, like the main ones. That's kind of like the ones I like most. Maybe a tiny bit of Shiba and some other weird ones, but yeah, kind of like the ones I like. The issue with XRP is XRP scaled with Solana. Oh, I see, I see. That makes sense there. It's going to the moon, maybe. It's going to the moon. Nice, nice. That's awesome. Hell yeah, let it go to the moon, right? Waiting for Nvidia to dip below. Oh, for Nvidia to dip below. I see. I really want the ETH to hit 1,000 or lower to buy. Oh yeah, if it'll hit 1,000 or lower, that'll be a very, very good deal to buy. For sure, but I agree. XRP can go back up. Yeah, obviously nothing's a guarantee, but like it's kind of like what we think in our opinions, like what might happen. Let's see. CRSR. Let's see what that one is. CRSR. Corsair Gaming. So does anybody have any news about this one? Like I don't think I've heard about this one. Corsair Gaming IT designs and supplies hardware components for personal computers. It operates through the gamer and creator peripherals and gaming components and systems segments. The game creator, whatever. So a whole bunch of involves in the gaming stuff. So 8 analyst ratings, 50% buy, 50% hold, 0% sell. So that's about that one. Nvidia just hit 5 trillion. Oh damn, 5 trillion, that's a lot. Says Nvidia gonna make 10 billion, but don't see it. Yeah, might not happen, right? Might not. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm not sure like if this one might be worth it to get. I'm not sure. Like I've never heard about this company that I know of. 3 months is down 24%. Year to date, it's down 16. 1 year, it's down 47. 5 years is down 89. Maximum down 70. So it looks like it's kind of like generally on the downtrend. Looks pretty risky. I mean, almost everything has some kind of risk, but a little bit worth it to risk. Might be worth it. Maybe I should ask the paper and see what the paper says, whether it's worth it to buy this one or not, right? Let's see. Is it worth it to buy CRSR? Let's see what the paper says. Is it worth it to buy CRSR at the moment? DCAing. Let's see. The paper, for some reason, it says yes. Maybe, I don't know why, but I guess I could get it. A tiny bit of it, at least. It's kind of weird, but it is what it is, right? The paper said yes. Oh, man. Flipping paper. Why would the flipping paper be saying yes on that one? It's kind of weird. If they do, it's because of their self-driving tech. Oh, I see. I see. That makes sense. They do have the best self-driving tech in the world right now. Oh wow. Calculated risk. I know, right? For sure, that ludicrous drip. For sure. Let's check out like Nvidia, NVDA. Yeah, calculated risk. Like if I put $1 in that stock and it goes to zero, $1 is not a big loss. But yeah, Nvidia, like did a pretty good jump here a little bit ago. It's like pretty decent, not too bad. I've got some of it, not much, but I'll probably add some more later. If it's gonna dip some more, I'll probably add some more later. Nvidia is still good, but it's still way below the 200 or so high. I mean, yeah, I mean, but like I think Nvidia for the long term is gonna go up way higher than where it's at right now. But still, I'd rather try to get it at a lower price than where it's at right now. But like for the long term, I am bullish on it. I think it probably will go over the $200 area. Let's see where it used to be here. Let's see, was it like so? Did it ever reach the $200 area, or did it not? Hmm, weird. Agreed. I think it will dip some more as they begin and continue to plateau. Yeah, I think so. Long term good investment. Agreed. Yeah, it hit 214. Oh yes, it hit 214. I see. Thank you there, Carlos. But yeah, like this one, the Nvidia, I would try to get it at a lower price possible. Maybe let's see if it'll probably hit. Let's see somewhere around like I'm not sure if it's gonna get dip back to like the 171, 170s, or maybe even the 170s, 160s probably be a good area to get it at if it dips that low again. Does do it randomly even 300. Oh, 300 plus euros. I think eventually down the road, I think it might get there. It just might take a while though. MSTR by Michael Saylor currently holding 714, 644 Bitcoin. Hypothetically, if the price of Bitcoin went up to 400,000, the share price of MSTR will be massive. Oh wow, that's crazy. So MSTR is linked with the Bitcoin stuff, right? That's pretty crazy. There, Ralph. That's why I'm bullish on that. Oh, that's why you're bullish on the MSTR. Because later down the road, I could potentially see Bitcoin hitting 400,000. But it might take some years, a while. Obviously nothing's a guarantee, but I think it might happen. Just might take it a while for it to reach that. Remember when everything dropped and seen Apple at 90 or so? I regret not buying. What is Bitcoin? Oh, what is Bitcoin right now? Let's see. BITC. So right now Bitcoin is at like 69,000. But like I think it might I'm not sure if it will or not, but it might go back to like if it's gonna hit like 20,000 or 15,000 might be a good buying opportunity maybe. Let's see where it's at right here. Yeah, I think right here, if it'll hit like 15,000, 20,000, I think that might be a good deal to buy it. Because, like, I think if it does hit that low price, it might be that low for like a long, long time before it ever decides to hit that low point again. But we never know if it will or not. But if it does reach like the 20K, the teens and stuff like that, that'll be a good definitely be a good buying opportunity. Not a guarantee that it'll hit that, but anything could happen. If there's like a crypto winter or some weird shit that's gonna happen or might happen, who knows? That'll be a very, very good opportunity to load up because if it's gonna go to 200,000 plus down the road, loading up at this point will be a easy deal, I guess. It does have a really good support right now. Are we trading? Hey there, boss man. Yes, we trade. You find any satellites? Find any satellites? I'm not sure if I did or not. I might have to look. I'm keep trying to keep on finding them. Still keep on searching. That's funny. Cheers, cheers, man. But yeah, crypto be dipping a bit more. We'll see what it does. But yeah, we be trading on here, but that'll be pretty crazy. That'll be pretty cool if Bitcoin does hit like the flipping this area right here. It'll be such a good deal. Like the 20,000 area, teen area in the teens. AI controlling the stocks. It might be kinda AI might be kinda controlling the stocks. But yeah, the more crypto dips, the more I'll probably get. Like right now, I'm just kind of dollar cost averaging. I should add some more uh, capital to my accounts. What do you think about Shiba? Shiba Inu, I kind of like that one. I trade it quite often. I just gotta load up on it some more. But obviously, it's dipping right now with all the crypto. But I do like it. I like trading it. I usually like swing trade it. Like I buy it like dollar cost average as it goes down, accumulating it. Then when it goes up, I sell it at a profit. And then once it dips again, I start buying it. I kind of rinse and repeat that with the cryptos. Add notifications below the price. Oh, I know, right? That'll be pretty cool. So yeah, Shiba Inu, I do like it. Like right now, I don't have too much buying power. I could buy it, but I'll probably add some of that later. I gotta deposit more buying power. Like right now, out of my accounts, the biggest one I got so far, because I started from zero. This one I just recently added another $2,300. So I got the most buying power in this one right now. But the other ones, like I don't have much. I think this one's got $3.50 buying power. This one's got 5 cents. This one's got $7.13, and this one's obviously got quite a bit. But yeah, it's kind of where it's at right now. How much do you have to put in? What do you mean there, boss man? How much do I have to put in into what? How about Palantir? Let's see, Palantir. I like Palantir for the long run, but like right now, like everything's kind of iffy with the whole situation that's going on everywhere and like in the country and in the world. But I do like this one for long term. Obviously, government uses this company, so they got a whole bunch of clients. They're doing pretty good, so I like it. I mean, still kind of highly valued or overvalued a little bit, but I think it probably be doing good in my opinion for a long term. I think it might be going back up some more. Short term, I'm not sure what's going to happen. Long term, I think it's kind of decent. In trades or stocks, is there a specific amount? Oh, like on Robinhood, like it doesn't really matter. You could put in like small amounts, like right here. Like if I want to, like for example, if I want to buy Palantir, let's see, I could buy any amount. Like literally, I could buy like Q in an order of $1 fractional. I think the smallest amount they allow is like $1 fractional shares to buy. But then like, or if you mean on deposits, you could deposit any amount to Robinhood, or you could buy as little as $1 at a time to put in a stock or ETF. No, you can buy 5 to 200. No, here on Robinhood, I think you could start like if you already have the Robinhood app and stuff like that, you could literally like it just did right now, like $1 fractional shares. You could buy stocks with a dollar of a fractional share. It kind of depends on how you want to play it, how you want to trade it. Let's see. Copper. Let's see. United States copper. Let's see how that's doing. That one's up today, 1.43. After hours is down a little bit. I might wait on getting that one for now. Let's see, platinum. Platinum's kind of going up some more. Actually, past week is down a little bit. Past month it's up 1%. 3 months up 49%. Year to date it's up 14. 1 year it's up 320. 5 years it's down 0.29 maximum. It's up 336. Maybe I should get some of that. Maybe I shouldn't. We'll see. I will wait for now. Oh, SLV. Hey there, Caleb. Let's see. Yeah, Meta is pretty good. I do like Meta. Let's see, SLV. I think I've got some of the SLV deal. The iShares Silver Trust. Yeah, I got. Let's see, not much because obviously I started from scratch recently, but I got $8.19 worth of that one, and I got a queued order to get some more of it. So I do like it for long term. Though the ETF that follows silver. Like Meta, yeah, Meta I like for the long term too. Like I used to have a lot of it before I sold everything out. Like this was one of my biggest positions. But it did go up here recently quite a bit again. That's crazy. 374 down 3.74 last week. 1 month it's up 4.42%. 3 months it's up 7.19. But yeah, I'll probably give it a little bit of time, see what it does. But I do like it for the long term. Might wait for a bigger dip to get this one. But I think eventually it'll go back up to where it came from and higher. Oh, I see. So you mainly do options. Do you like sell puts and sell calls there, Carlos? Or you do a little bit of everything? Oh, saved. Nice. But yeah, I like to do options too, but like I said, I just reset the portfolio to like everything from scratch. But like right now, this is the options portfolio that I got right here. I'm gonna try to add some options play. Right now, I don't have any options trades on it, but I will eventually will add to the options on this one. Oh, nice. Yeah, selling puts and calls like the wheel strategy. Yeah, I used to do a lot of that one. I do like it. It's one of the safest, especially if you do it on the right stocks, right ETFs, on the right companies. Selling puts and calls like at the right times, like it's literally you could make passive income pretty decently with that. I do like that strategy. And sometimes I buy leaps. Like when I used to have the margin account, I would buy like leaps contracts, like calls, long dated ones, and then I would sell like calls against it, which is called a poor man's covered call, or a pmcc or a diagonal. I used to do a lot of those, and those did pretty good too. So Robinhood is good to use, or is there others to use? Uh, well, there are other brokerages you could use. Like I also, apart from Robinhood, I have Webull and I have Moomoo. But like I just kind of like Robinhood more out of all of them. But they're all of them are pretty good. I like all of them. Oh, well, what about the Robinhood stock? Oh, the Robinhood stock. I think I like it for a long term. I definitely like the Robinhood stock for the long term. So recently, it obviously dipped with everything else. Kind of because it's linked to a lot of crypto stuff. A lot of people trade crypto on Robinhood. I do like it for a long term. I don't know if I have. Yeah, I do have some of it right now. I do like it for a long term. What's your next play entry and exit? I'll have to figure that one out there. A008. I feel like Robinhood is good. Starter app or Coinbase. Yeah, I also have Coinbase too, but I barely ever use Coinbase. Don't keep your phone plugged in at 100. Turn it down to 90 as at least. Oh, the this is my tablet, my iPad. But yeah, I should unplug it. I got the thank thanks for letting me know. See, I gotta unplug it. That way it's not gonna fry the battery. Thanks for noticing that. I wasn't paying attention. I didn't realize it was at 100%. That's funny. But now I just gotta adjust the screen again. But at least that's fixed right now. Thanks for noticing that. But yeah, right now it's unplugged. At least it's not gonna fry the battery. But yeah, I do like Robinhood for the long term. Like it's kind of linked with the crypto a lot because a lot of people that have it, they trade crypto on it. So I probably will add some more to it. Let's see. Obviously, right now I don't have too much buying power, but I will add a little bit of the Robinhood. I like it for long term, so might as well. Then under the V Nicky SCTF, I'll add some more of that one. What's your PL for the year? Oh, it kind of depends. Like I started from scratch. Like I started from scratch all of these. So let's see. So this one, the options thing I just started. That's new. I started like less than a month ago. So obviously, if I click a year, it hasn't been around for a year because I just recently started this one. So that's the options. But yeah, because I recently started, it wasn't even around for like a year. It's just recent. Roth IRA, obviously that one's down. If I click for the year to date, and then this one. So like these, the ETF and this one, I just started from scratch, from new. So it's just pretty much newly started positions. Oh, thank you there, A A008. Have we tried to buy a rec shares like an NVDX ETF? There's using 2x leverage, good for options trading. Oh yeah, for like selling puts and selling calls on VDX. I think I used to trade that one before. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I used to trade it. It's good for like especially if you like what do you call it? Sell the puts. I mean, go to options. If you sell puts, like a weekly put would be like you could collect some pretty decent money on that. So yeah, just a little example. But yeah, risk of losing that much money, but collecting some money. But yeah, it's pretty decent. Like I used to make money with that one, but I don't do these too much right now. I do the TSLL, the Tesla leverage. That's the one I play more often. Like I like this one right here. See, I don't have much because I recently started from scratch on here. But yeah, just found a Russian girl who speaks English too. Oh, that's cool. There, Ford rules. That's pretty cool, man. Max profit 40, max loss 1,000. I know, right? Max loss 1,000. Yeah, it has to. That stock or company like pretty much has to go to zero for it to be max loss, which is kind of highly unlikely. If you're doing it with a super garbage company, trashy company, yeah, there's a potential of that to happen, right? But with a good company like let's see Tesla, like with this one, I did a lot of this one on this. Let's see. Sell put. Let's see. This one even like different. Sell like over here. Look, Max profit $33 and potential loss is 1,517. Pretty decent, huh? Scrolling on shorts. Oh, I see. I see. Scrolling on shorts. That's pretty cool there, Ford rules. Oh, yeah. But yeah, in this case, like Tesla would pretty much have to go to zero to have the max loss of 1,517. But, or I could go to a longer dated and then like I'll just have to potentially wait a longer time and collect, let's see, collect $615 with a max loss of $885. That's not as bad, but still, that'll be quite of a long wait. Selling options is risky as fuck. Yeah, it kind of is if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't have a good plan behind it, it's risky. But if you have a good plan and strategy behind it, and you're doing good on good stocks and ETFs, it's actually one of the safest ways to trade, in my opinion. Because in a way, like at least you're getting premiums to get into a stock, so you're kind of doing better than somebody that's what do you call it, buying the stocks outright straight, because they don't get the premium. So if a company, a stock goes to zero, the person that's selling the puts, at least they're collecting some premiums. The other person, they just buy it as is, and if it goes to zero, they lose everything. So it kind of depends on how you look at it. Buying options is safer. Actually, it kind of depends. Buying options, it's kind of, if it doesn't go your direction, it's kind of risky too because it'll expire worthless. But like selling it, it's kind of safer in a way because you're collecting premiums. You're on the other side, so regardless of what happens, at least you collect the premium. I mainly trade SPY, gold, or QQQ for options. Oh, I see. I see. That makes sense. Also, envy. I see. What's your thoughts on credit spread strategy for option trading? Oh, credit spreads. Though I really like the credit spreads. I actually did those quite a bit. Like before I switched out, right? Like right now I'm on level two options trading because I got rid of my what do you call it? I got rid of my margin account. Because I'm trying to play it safer. So I could always get it back if I want to. I just want to play it safer right now in the market. But like right now with level two, I'm not able to do credit spreads. But before, when I did have level three, uh, I liked. I always did it. Like it's if you do it right, like you could make pretty good money with it. You have to put stop loss and take profit. Yeah, it's probably safer, but I usually never do the take profit stuff like stop loss take profit. But buying option, you can only use what you out, and selling options, you can lose unlimited amount. You clearly lost money on margin. Oh, I didn't lose money on margin. I just got out of margin just to play it safer. I actually sold out before the market dipped. That's when I sold out, and right now I'm getting back in. Put all your eggs in one basket, or putting all your eggs in one basket. That's kind of risky though. But yeah, I literally sold out of everything. That's before the market crashed here recently. That's why I wasn't live streaming because I sold out of everything. Then the market crashed. And then like right now, like it's sometimes it's taken Robinhood a while, like 5 business days for the funds to settle. So this is just settled right now. So I'm kind of had to get everything out of the account to start back from scratch. So I got all the money. I just depositing a little bit at a time though, instead of everything back in it. What do you think about SPY crashing hard? Well, what do I think about SPY crashing hard? I guess part of the market, like it's been at its all time highs here recently, and the the economy's kind of shaky, lots of job losses, and a whole bunch of weird stuff that's going on. It's just, I guess, the situation in Iran. Who knows if the war is gonna start or break out or not? A whole bunch of stuff that's kind of contributing to all of that, but who knows? Trump's chain. But like I don't know, like I'm trying to be safe with the SPY, with the QQQ, with everything. For the long run, those are pretty good. Obviously, those are good ETFs and stuff like that. But if there's like a recession, market crash, or something weird, like it might short term might not be that great. But we'll see what happens though. Yeah, SPY did recover like right now recently. Like mostly everything kind of did. It's just some individual stocks. There's some of them are still kind of down, but for the most part, everything's kind of back to normal. You want to buy long-term puts? What do you want to buy puts on there, Caleb? Caleb 6274. Let's see here. Oh, the you on SPY and Palantir. I see. I see. Yeah, like regardless whether you buy the puts or not, just be safe because right now the market's pretty crazy, pretty volatile. It goes up like crazy 1 point, it goes down like crazy. I mean, if you know what you're doing, hopefully you make money with it. Hopefully you make money with it. Oh yeah, I gotta check on. Let's see how Netflix is doing, right? Netflix. Let's see where that's at. Netflix still kind of low a little bit. One day it's down 0.97%. 1 week it's down 1.50%. 1 month is down 9.71. 3 months down 26%. Year to date is down 13. 1 year is down 20. Kind of dipping a little bit. Netflix home. If I love candlestick charts for options trading. Oh, I see. If I love candlesticks charts for options trading. I see. I see. Yeah, if you love candlestick charts. Yeah, if you read the candlestick charts pretty decent, like you could do pretty good for sure. Oh, on Weeble, I see. I see. Yeah, I've also got the Weeble brokerage. Got the Weeble, and I got Moomoo. Let's see. Maybe I'll get a little bit of this one of the Netflix. Do I have it on this here or not? Yeah, I do have some Netflix. Probably add a tiny bit to what I got here. And then let's see, add some more Netflix on the Nicky ETF. Oh, you want to get TradingView? I've got TradingView. I just got the free version of it. Let's see if I go on here. Got TradingView, but this is just a free version. So it's like it's kind of delayed. So obviously that trade right now, like I've got a paper trade going on the micro gold. But yeah, TradingView is pretty decent. I kind of like it. So I sometimes when I trade, I kind of use it a little bit and then do the trades on other platforms. Although it's delayed, but it still kind of works because I got the free version. Still kind of better than nothing. Yeah, I love that. It has more options than we will. Yes, for sure. Especially if you get like the non-free version, it'll probably be way better. The Trading View, the non-free version. Let's see. On S&P. Oh, I see. Nick, do a long-term chart, 1996 on S&P. On which one should I do that there, Ford? On the trading view or seek for conservative strategy and option trading? The best way is don't wait the expiration date like 30-40 days. Collect your premium. Collect it early before the expiration hit. If you do 2x leverage ETF. Oh, okay, I see. So yeah, collect it earlier. I see. That's awesome. Thanks for the tip there, Ralph. I miss your options on long-term puts. Missed the option on long-term puts. S&P 500. I like 0 DTE or 1 day out. Yeah, sometimes I do the 0 DTEs. It was kind of risky, so I did pretty good with those a while back, but yeah, it's pretty risky. S&P 500. So S&P 500, are you wanting me to look at like on here? S&P 500. Or did you want me to look at the, what do you call it? Oh, that's the futures. Let's see. Futures, S&P index. There you go. 5 years, right? The maximum. So this one maximum is up 487% all time chart. This one right here, S&P 500. So maximum it says 487.05% that it's up. So this one's it, right? Oh, this one might crash tomorrow, huh? It's mini index. Yes, rebuild. Yes, it's mini index. All time chart. Yeah, all time chart. It's like that. Let's see. But yeah, that's what it's at. 4.8. Sorry, return for 30 years. Oh, return for 30 years. I see. Oh, you need it in $1 or $2, and you can cash out good depending on the delta and how many options you buy. Yeah, yeah, for sure. Hey there, Lance. Hey there, Ryan. How's it going, man? I'm back for right now. Hell yeah. You get my text? I texted you that I was going live. Do you want to create algos for your strategy? Uh, I don't do any algos or anything like that. I just kind of trade as is. Who is Bitcoin founder? Satoshi Nakamoto. KRS. Oh, I'm not really sure who's the founder of Bitcoin. Uh, how you doing there, Lance? Hopefully I didn't wake you up with the text. But anyways, cheers, cheers. I'm still drinking my flippin' South American mate drink. The healthy Bolivian, Argentinian, Brazilian, whatever tea drink. I missed text. My phone is charging somewhere. Oh, I see. That makes sense there, Lance. Am I waiting for the NYSE time? No, not at the moment. I'm just kind of trading, just adding some, what do you call it, trades to my portfolio. What is SPY up to? Let's check out SPY. So SPY is doing pretty good so far. It's up 0.48% today. Overnight, it's up 0.05%. So it's doing okay so far. Yes, Pies, I'm glad to catch your stream. Hope work is okay lately. I know you're very busy. Oh yeah, I was working super late today, so I kind of even started the stream late because uh so busy with everything. I can create research tools, price observation tools, dashboards, and also automated trading algos. Oh, nice. That's cool that you could do all that there. Rebuild. Take maca root for a stimulant. Maca root. I'm not sure what that root is. Trading 3 p.m. where you reside. Well, I'm in Washington State. That's where I'm at. Or are you? Where I'm from? Like I'm from Washington State. That's where I'm at. Let's see, QQQ. So yes, the SPY is up, the QQQ is up, and they're both doing pretty good so far. Oh, like where the T is at? The T is from South America. If you guys are talking about this one, South American, like it's called yerba mate. That's the tea drink that I drink. Yeah, it's from South America. Yep. Gold ETF has a double top right now. Maca 2. Oh, I see Maca 2. Oh, that's pretty cool. On a short, but waiting to see if it rejects or breaks above. So at a double top, like anything could happen, like from that point. Oh, gold ETF has double top. Let's see. Let's check out GLD. So if this one has a double top, it might potentially do something here. Yeah, from this point, like anything could happen. It could either go up. Like it kind of depends. I think if the general market's gonna dip, the gold's gonna probably gonna go up. The sugar, I struggle to drink tea without sugar, but it's not the healthiest. Obviously, I need me some yerba mate. A little. I know, right? Yerba mate is pretty good. I usually drink without the sugar. It's just plain like hot water and the mate. That's what I do. Oh, thanks for the subscribe there, Caleb. Thank you, man. Thank you. It's a vibe. I know, right? Oh, hey there, Ash J. How's it going? When the dollar goes down, gold goes up, vice versa. Yes, exactly. You got it right there, Carlos. But yeah, also like a lot of times when the market generally is dipping, like SPY and QQQ and all that stuff, gold and silver usually goes up because something bad's going on. They jump to safety. They jump to the gold and silver and stuff like that, you know. But yeah. But yeah, I usually like when I drink my tea, coffee, and everything. I usually don't use any sugar. Sometimes I add honey to it, but most of the time it's just plain tea, no sugar. That's usually how I drink it. Like recently, like when the market was going down like crazy, the gold and silver were doing the opposite. I'm out of my coffee drink, all empty. But as of late, it has not been doing the inverse. Yes, it kind of always depends. I can't sleep because tomorrow I'm gonna make 100K. Oh, that's crazy! You're gonna make 100K. That's pretty awesome. I wish I could do that. That'll be pretty nice when you could just make 100K. Come on. Oh, in your dreams? That's funny. Also, what's everyone's take on the Comic Silver situation? Your dreams might come true. Who knows? I know, right? Sometimes if you believe in it hard enough, it might. Anything could happen for sure. For sure. Hey, but hey, the Lance, I still got the prop firm, but I still haven't got another account yet. Like the 25K that I blew. So like I do have the money to get a new account and whatnot, but like part of risk management, I'm trying to give it some time before I start another prop account. Make I don't know how much time I'll give it, but like if sometimes if I lose an account too fast, the best thing to do is like not to get into one right away. Give it some time, have some patience. Then I'll probably get back in it. But we'll see what happens. So right now, like currently, I don't have one going right now. I'm just kind of using that as a chart type deal. Let's see, you trade meme coins. Yeah, I trade meme coins sometimes. Yep. I made some good coin shorting silver. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Did you buy SPCE? Virgin Galactic Holding, man. I told you, bro. I think I might have sold too early. Oh, I see. Silver and gold cooked. No. Silver got manipulated, but I think the floor was put in. More volatility ahead, but overall uptrend incoming. I think you're right there, Lance Briefcase. Lance, that like I think silver for the most part, I think it has the bottom in. Might dip a little bit, but not like crazy. But for the most part, I think it's kind of hit the bottom. But we'll see. Especially if weird things are going to be happening, like wars and weird situations. I think it's going to be more bullish for the gold and silver in general. The SPCE. Or the Virgin Galactic type deal. I don't think I have any of that one. But I could add some of this one, right? Let's see, maybe I should ask the paper, see if I should add some SPCE, right? Let's see. Should I flip and add some SPCE? Let's see what it says, yes or no. So the paper says yes, that means I could add some of it. That means I could kind of sort of halfway add some of it, at least a little bit, and see what it does. Kind of sort of halfway a little bit and see what it does. Let's see, just because my buying power is like almost down to nothing, at least on this ETF, so at least I'll get something. Maybe super rich, then went 2.75. Oh, nice. That's awesome that it made the Virgin Galactic made you super rich. That's awesome, man. Have you ever tried trading momentum stocks in the morning? If I ever tried, super rarely that I did, like a while back. But like because I'm working construction, it's kind of hard to do that. I'm pouring out one down. Oh no! Hopefully it'll go back up for you there, CWAG. I kind of like RKLB for space play more upside than SPCE, but maybe I'm wrong. When would it good time to buy up gold? Oh, to buy up gold? It kind of depends. Like I'm kind of dollar cost averaging into the gold, so he's like I'm like to like load up everything on the gold. Like you could, I don't know. Me, I'm just kind of dollar cost averaging. That's what I'm doing to the gold. Let's see. Like RKLB. So RKLB, that's the one you have, right? RKLB. So yeah, the Rocket Lab. So 68% buy, 32% hold. Maybe I should ask the paper if I should get some more of that, or maybe I should get some of this. Let's see, and then ask the paper if I should have got it. Maybe do the reverse. Now I got some Rocket Lab. Snap made me bank from like 9 around 100, then went back to 9. I rode the whole ride through. Agreed to get some. Hey there, JSS. So Galactic might one last little bounce, but I can't see it being successful long term. It's Branson. Guy has own train and plane companies, and those stocks failed. So like not that good, I guess, with that one. It makes sense. Let's see. Maybe I should throw the paper and see if I should have bought the Rocket Lab. Let's see. Should I have bought Rocket Lab? Yes or no? Let's see what the paper says. What? The paper says no, that I shouldn't have bought it? What the hell? It doesn't make sense. Why would it say that? Why would it flip and say that? It's flipping weird. Flipping crazy. What do you think of rare earth mining companies right now? Like CRML, 75 is so high. I know 75 is kind of high. Let's see, CRML. Critical metals. I mean, metals are kind of high demand, and right now, like, China has a whole bunch of the rare earth stuff, and like, it might be going up, but who knows? This is kind of like a newer one. Let me see. I guess. Critical Metals Core engages in the mining, exploration, development of lithium metals. It owns Wolfsburg Project and Tan Breens Project. The company was founded on October 24th, 2022 and is headquartered in British Virgin Islands. The listed name for CRML is Critical Metals Core Ordinary Shares. Okay, so that's that one. So no dividend. So for the 1 month, it's down 16%. 3 months, it's up 6%. Year to date, it's up 68%. 1 year, it's up 85. 5 years is down 20. But this is recently listed on February 28, 2024. So I think it's got room to go up. Oh, Chevron's still not overpriced. Nice. Chevron could be a decent one for the long term. Look for companies that get some type of government funding. That's how you know it's not corrupted. Yeah, the ones with the government funding could have some decent potential for sure. Situation with the Comex silver. Yeah, the Comex silver stuff is like very, very weird. Like it's a whole bunch of manipulation. That crazy ass manipulation with that. Also with the gold, a whole bunch of manipulation with that. Everything Branson owns is planned to either depreciate, dilute, or go bankrupt. He's typical billionaire seeking tax shelters. That's funny. Mining stocks is good, but you missed a fat dip a couple of weeks ago. Musk is now aiming for the moon. Oh yeah, I heard Musk is aiming for the moon right now. It's kind of crazy. I mean, at first he was talking about Mars, but then he's talking about the moon right now. I guess you gotta take it a step at a time. First the moon, then Mars, I guess, right? What prop firm do you use? Oh, hey there, Richard. I use the Take Profit Trader on that one. That's a Take Profit Trader with Tradeovate. That's the one I'm using on there. Obviously, I don't have a account right now. It's just the chart from Tradeovate. But later, I'll add an account and I'll trade some more of the, you know, prop firm stuff. Don't worry about futures trading, just DCA silver. Oh yeah, that's a very good tip there, Rook and Pawn. Like DCA into silver, because silver is gonna be going up. In my opinion, not financial advice. I believe that too. There, Rook and Pawn. After the last 2 weeks, I'm befuddled instead of bullish. Moon, I guess maybe Doge. Moon, maybe Doge. I've been swinging calls since the dip last week on silver. Oh, whatever works, I guess, right? I lost so much money trying to trade silver futures. You will get pawned by 2 minutes of volatility. Yeah, it's crazy for sure. On the silver futures and silver is definitely insane. You got to make sure you're playing it right or betting the right direction. The drawdown on 25k eval can go really quick. Silver minis have been my account savior, but really I should already have blown it. I got a little lucky. Oh, that's awesome. I'm glad that you didn't blow that 25k account there, Lance. That's awesome. Hopefully you'll be able to pass that one and actually start taking profits out of it. That'll be pretty awesome, man. That'll be hella nice. Gotta add some more flipping water to my flipping mate cup. If you're a day trader, you have to watch the silver future market. If you want to trade metals without getting blown out, trade copper futures for your prop firm. Oh, copper futures, those are probably doesn't move as much as the other stuff, so it might be a good deal too. They move in sympathy. Oh, I see. Silver coated, of course. Silver coated, of course. But yeah, the rare earth stuff, like I think it's got some potential for sure. Depends on what kind of company, you know. I don't know too much about this one. The USAR, I think that one like went up quite a bit recently. But like if I was, yeah, like if I was gonna get into this one, I'll probably wait for a bigger dip to get into this one. It's like this one you just gotta catch it at the right time. Like it goes up and then goes down like crazy, then it goes up. So I could use some cash flow, but I'm trying to put pressure on my journey. Oh, I see. That makes sense to Lance. How many people in here use a prop firm? I do. Which one? Yeah, like I'm still trying to pass at least one eval test. So like, yeah, I use a prop firm, but I haven't even processed single. I haven't passed a single eval yet. So eventually, I gotta get to that point. Can you check out maps? It's interesting. Can you check out? Oh, the maps. What kind of maps there, JSS? Is it okay? 2 4 rare earth. Oh, the MP. I see. Yeah, the MP materials. So past week it's up 1.67. 1 month is down 1.87. 3 months it's up 1.61. Year to date it's up 21%. 1 year it's up 159. 5 years it's up 91. Maximum it's up 525. Yeah, this one does for like materials and stuff like that looks pretty decent. Analyst ratings for this one's 100% buy, so yeah, this one does look pretty good. It's a stock just map. Oh, it's a stock just maps. I see. Let's see. Maybe I should get a little bit of this one. Let's see. I do not have much buying power left, but let's see. I'll check out the maps deal here. Let's see. Come on. Okay, so is this one the technology, WM technology? So today it's up 3.73%. After hours, it's up 1.11. 1 week, it's down 0.04. 1 month, it's down 11%. 3 months is down 21%. Year to date is down 11%. 1 year is down 46, 5 years is down 96%, maximum is down 92. It's kind of looks like it's on a downtrend on that one. Kind of interesting. Yeah, read its business. Let's see. WM Technology Inc. operates as an online cannabis marketplace. Its products include Weed Maps and Weed Maps for Business. It provides cannabis consumers with information regarding cannabis retailers and brands. The company was founded by Douglas Francis and Justin Hartfield in 2008 and is headquartered in Irvine, California. The listed name for MAPS is WM Technology Inc. Class A common stock. That's kind of interesting about the cannabis and weed and stuff like that. Makes sense. Money is being moved out of Bitcoin into US dollar and stocks to save the economy. So until we stabilize, then Bitcoin will start a rally again, in my opinion. Oh, that kind of makes sense there, Richard. That's a possibility. But yeah, this one like the max chart when you look at it, it's kind of looks like it's downtrending for the most part, quite a bit. Yeah, Maps was up to $10 at one point. Yeah, if it was up to $10 at one point, it fell quite a bit. Like yeah, over here see the high 29.50, 22.24, 29.50. But yeah, for a while it was at like $9, $10. Then it bounced pretty high. Then I just for the most part continue on a downtrend. Kind of interesting. Let's see. Let's see which other one should I buy. I don't have much buying power left. Let's see, maybe I should get some AGQ. Maybe I should get some more of that. This one, the Pro Shows Ultra Silver. Oh, missed the $29 part. Oh, I see. But yeah, it's crazy that at one point it was that high. Like it was listed a top penny stock. Oh wow, top penny stock. That's crazy. Let's see. Maybe I should get a little bit of this one. 3 months it's up. Year to date it's down. 1 year it's buy. Let's see. 150. Maybe I should get 150 worth of this one. I'm not sure if it'll let me or not. 150. I guess it does. Okay, and then get some of this under the, let's see, 1.13. There we go. WM is waste management. I thought this is just a shitty penny stock. Weeds no longer in play, in my opinion. Not until good news comes out about recreational getting legalized in more states. Oh, for sure. Yeah, just the WM is waste management, but like the weed stock is definitely at the moment it's kind of risky. I have fear if AGQ from your option experience before. I know, right? Like it was pretty crazy. But the thing is, I added a little bit. Like right now, like I don't have much of it. And the options, yeah, it was pretty crazy. Actually ended up making some money on it in general. Although the big dip and stuff like that, but the way I leveraged or hedged it from the past actually didn't do like too good. I didn't do too good on it, but I didn't do too bad on it. So I did make some money on even the options before. So yeah, but it was pretty crazy. It was pretty risky. The AGQ play with the options, that was pretty crazy. Like once it was down, I was able to make some money by hedging it with the poor man's covered call with the PMCC. Made some money on that, and then some plays I was able to cash out at a profit. So it kind of then some of it I sold at a loss, but I think in general I ended up ahead on the AGQ. But it was a pretty interesting experience though on that one. Let's see where Bitcoin's at right now. Bitcoin's still dipping. Wow, look right now it's dipped 0.23%. So maybe potentially the market might be dipping. Who knows? Bitcoin's still kind of dipping. Still kind of flipping, dipping. I've been thinking about investing in portable oxygen stocks since everyone insists of smoking weed. Oh, I know, right? Portable oxygen stocks. That'll be pretty cool. People need to breathe, right? That's kind of funny. That's kind of smart. TM Taylor. CEIN. I lose my many 25,000 and buy 3 years ago. Oh, CEIN. I lose my many 25 and buy 3 years ago. Oh, I see. Just the AGQ options volatility lately is wild. It's similar to futures volatility. Yeah, it is. It is similar to that for sure. I'm buying more at 65,000. Oh, so you're getting more of the Bitcoin at 65,000 right there, Richard. That's pretty cool. I think I might load up some more once it like reaches like the 17,000. I think I might load up some more 17 or 24,000 around over there. Like once or if Bitcoin hits the 17,000, that'll be a decent area to load up again. But 65 is a good area to DCA, I think, too. A decent area. Bitcoin is fine. I think the volatility will get crazy still, but it's not going to anywhere. 150K by summer and 1 million by 2032. Yeah, that's a possibility. That's like a high number by 2032. Possibility that it's gonna go that way, but for long term, I am bullish on Bitcoin. March 2020 sent Bitcoin to 22,000. Still crazy price to me after 15-year inception. Hit record 126. Yeah, it is pretty crazy how like the fluctuation and movement of Bitcoin. It's pretty insane, pretty drastic. On this chart right here, that's the 5-year chart. Let's see. Let's look at the chart, see what it could look like here. So it's kind of moving back up a little bit. It was just down, moving back up a little bit. Let's see, advanced chart. No COVID, it hit 2,200, not kilo. So almost looks like it did a head and shoulders right here. It might dip some more. See, like a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. So it looks like it might go some more down, maybe potentially. The legend, Leon Kennedy. I'll use TradingView. I do have TradingView right here, but like this is just a free version, so obviously it's delayed data on this. But this is the gold, the micro gold that I'm tracking on this. But yeah, I do have it. I use it, but I use Robinhood mainly. But yeah, the Bitcoin pattern here on the 1 week, 4 hour looks like a head and shoulder. See, there's a shoulder, a head and a shoulder. So that means it might potentially just kind of keep on falling, but maybe not. Who knows? We'll see what happens though. Could potentially be a double correction, because if everything's crashing and people are running to safety into other places, it might go down. Like, not for sure, but there's a possibility. Possibly it might reach the 50Ks, but it's not a guarantee. Nobody knows for sure. Uh, but definitely something kind of crazy. It's kind of being volatile. Pump gas back up plus barrel inconsistent. Oh, definitely. It's way inconsistent right now. Let's see. Anyways, I'll be going to sleep now because I gotta work super early in the morning. So have a good night, guys. Hopefully, I'll be back sometime soon. Not sure exactly.